Okay, let's consider one more example on waves, and this time we'll talk about Doppler effect. And the example we have is that there is a burglar who is running away in a car. That does not look like a car, but let's assume it's a car. And this guy is moving in this direction with a velocity of 20 meters per second. And the police is chasing the burglar. In a bigger car. And the velocity by which the police is chasing the burglar is 30 meters per second. We always know that police is going to catch the burglar. But to avoid police catching him, what burglar does, he fires a shot. He shoots at the police. And because of that, there are waves produced which have, let's say, frequency of 1000 hertz. This is the frequency of the frequency of the waves produced by the produced by the pistol of the burglar. The question is, if the frequency is 1000 hertz, by what frequency the police hears the shot? What is the frequency of the shot as heard by the police? Okay, so this is Doppler effect, and we know that for Doppler effect, f prime is given as f multiplied by v plus minus v naught divided by v minus plus vs, where v is the speed of waves, traveling waves. Because they are traveling in air, we know that it is usually taken to be 330 meters per second. VO is the velocity of the observer, which is the police, and Vs is the speed of the source, which is the burglar. Now, which signs to choose here? We see if the velocity, if the relative velocity is increased by the observer, then we take a plus sign, which is the frequency is increased. So this is the rule. If VO increases relative velocity, then take positive sign. Second, if Vs increases relative velocity, then take negative sign, because both of these things increase, frequency. Increase in relative velocity increases the observed frequency, and decrease in relative velocity decreases the observed frequency. Okay, so police is trying to increase the relative velocity, go towards the burglar. So frequency, which is 1000, is 330 plus, now V is always given to be 30, divided by 330. Now the guy here is trying to reduce the relative velocity as moving away from the object, from the observer. So this guy is trying to reduce the relative velocity. So it should be a plus sign here, just opposite to this. So V source becomes 20. And this is nothing but 1000 multiplied by 360 divided by 350. And you can calculate this number. It will be something 3600 divided by 1000 divided by 350 hertz, little more than 1000. Okay, and we'll take more examples on Doppler effect.